Hello and namaste everyone. Wish you all a very happy Vishu, Tamil New Year, Ugadi, uh, Ramadan. So many festivals, Bihu, Baisakhi, so many festivals being celebrated on these dates, right? It's a very auspicious time of the year. So we at Sugar and Spice, Srija and I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Vishu to all the Malayalis and to all the other people all over the world, to all your respective festivals. May you have a very prosperous year ahead, and may this year bring us all health, prosperity, and everything good in life. So today we thought, since I am the part of Sugar and Spice, which I'm in Kerala right now, and I'm celebrating it in my ancestral home. Though we couldn't do this as a duo, Shrija, I'm sure we both are together in this. Yeah, so we both are celebrating Vishu today, since both are native is Kerala. And thought we will just tell you a little bit about Vishu. Vishu is again, like I said, New Year. It is celebrated in Medam, the Malayalam month of Medam, and it marks there are many stories associated with Vishu actually. One which I found interesting was that there was a demon king who was Narakasura. He was getting too much, he destructive, and Lord Vishnu had to kill him to save the world. And the death of Narakasura is celebrated as Vishu. And the main rituals, that is the interesting part which I wanted to share with you all. We as children have been lucky enough to celebrate all the, to participate in all the rituals that are being that are celebrated as part of Vishu. And now our children are also able to do the same. So that is really, something that's very lucky, if we get the opportunity to do that. So, the different traditions, today I would like to mention a few. The main, the starting of the day, it's by something called Vishu Kani. So, Kani literally means the first thing that we see in the morning. So, since it is New Year, there is this belief that if we see the prosperous, the auspicious, the lit lamp, and everything auspicious, the first thing in the morning, the entire year is going to be very prosperous and happy for us. So when farming was done, the harvest was kept as the Vishukani, along with so many other things like gold and silver and everything which represented goddess Lakshmi, and of course an idol of Lord Krishna. I think you can see something similar next to me in my puja room. So those were the things which are kept in Vishukani. Even a mirror, that is kept um, to signify probably that you see your own reflection. And so many small parts of the Vishukani, each I'm sure has a very deep meaning, which since I'm not authentically sure about each thing, I don't want to go into the details. But each thing which is kept as Vishukani has its very important meaning. And when we see this sight early in the morning, when your mother or your grandmother opens your eyes and you see this is a sight which you will never forget. It's so special. So today my children were also able to do the same. I was able to do the same. My mom prepared the Vishukani, and the eldest lady of the family generally does it. And then the next day she wakes up each person and brings them in front of the kani and opens their eyes to see this first sight in the morning. That is the most important ritual of the festival Vishu. Then comes the Kainitam part. Kainitam is nothing but the elders of the family give money to the younger members of the house. And this again signifies equality and giving. And you know how much in our olden days these customs were considered to be very important, and we share our happiness and our celebration with others. And for children especially, it's a very special festival, because we get some money when we were small children, and even now for my kids, they love it because they get some money in their pockets which they can spend, right? They can buy crackers or do whatever they want with that. So that is another very nice part of this festival. Then we have the sadhya, just like the Ona sadhya, it is very elaborate with sambar and avial and pachadi and kichadi and papadam and payasam and the elaborate banana leaf sadhya that I am sure everyone all over the world knows now. And then comes the firecrackers, like as in Diwali and Dashera, we celebrate in the other states. In Kerala, it is Vishu that we burst crackers and we play with sparklers and all the other light and sound things. That happens on Vishu for us. So it's a very simple festival compared to Onam. Onam is a more rich and pompous and yeah, more elaborate festival. But Vishu is comparatively simpler. But I think a lot of meaning, a lot of deeper meaning goes into each thing that we do. And there are, I'm sure that there will be people who tell me about, very, very unique rituals that are followed in different parts of Kerala. But I'm not really sure of all these things because I have also been in different places at different times. Even my parents were and my grandparents were, so I don't know the authentic what was done. But these are the things which I'm sure Malayalis all over the world follow. Vishukani, Vishukainitam, Vishu Sadhya, and Padakam. Padakam means crackers. So these are the things which everyone does as a rule. But the other things keep varying, in some places they do, some places they don't. But the total message of Vishu is of equality, of oneness, of giving, and of celebrating with your family. I'm specifically very happy this time being with my at my ancestral home to celebrate Vishu. And another one is Kanikonna, the yellow flower that specifically, again, the entire Vishukani has a yellow shade to it. Yellow shows prosperity, right? So when you look at the bright yellow first thing in the morning, your life just lights up. So from all these things, I'm sure you have got a small bird's eye view of how the festival is celebrated. All my non-Malayali friends also. So from Sugar and Spice, again from Shrija and I, we wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous new year and everything good. May it happen to all of you. Praying for all your good health and happiness. Thank you all. Bye from Sugar and Spice. കണി കാണും